For most people, the thought of making $10,000 a month on Amazon is the ultimate goal. The good news, it's more achievable than you can ever imagine. In fact, on the very first product that I launched on Amazon in 2019, I was making $10,000 in top-line revenue my very first month selling. So today, I'm going to be breaking down the 3 keys to hitting that $10,000 a month mark, and if you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to scaling your business and creating sustainable profits. Key number 1, product research is everything. If you're going to be a 5-figure a month seller, product research is the foundation, and this is where so many sellers make mistakes. They either pick a product that they think is cool or hop on a trend without actually understanding the market numbers. But here's the reality. Amazon is a data game. You need to choose products that have consistent demand but aren't oversaturated with competition. You need to look at things like average reviews and average revenue in the market. You need to see how new sellers in the market are performing, as well as if you're actually able to be profitable on that product. I see it all the time. Sellers thinking, I'll just copy the top seller and I'll be able to make money. But if you're going up against products with 1,000+ reviews and you just do exactly what they're doing, the odds aren't in your favor. You need a niche that you can stand out in. That might mean improving on an existing product and making it better, different, or unique. Your goal should be to enter a market you can actually compete in. For a more in-depth guide on how I do product research on Amazon, I've linked my product research and product criteria videos in the description of this video. Key number 2 is optimize for conversion, not just traffic. This is a big one. You don't just need traffic to your listing, you need traffic that's actually going to convert, people who are going to buy your product. Even when you've gotten people onto your product listing, the conversion is what really matters. Too many sellers think that throwing money at ads is the solution to low sales on Amazon, and this is only half true. While PPC ads on Amazon are the #1 way to drive traffic to your product, and you can be driving thousands of people to your listing, if your conversion rate is low, that traffic is going to waste. So how do you optimize for conversion? Start with your images. Your main image is the first thing that a customer sees, and it needs to be able to grab attention. And then your secondary images or your infographics should describe every aspect about the product without the customer even having to read your listing. Your title needs to be clear and keyword optimized, but don't stop there. Your bullet points and description should be SEO optimized and answer every question that a customer might have about your product. If they have to leave your page to go look for answers or they're left questioning your product, you've probably lost the sale. And also, never underestimate the power of reviews. Aim to get at least 10 to 15 reviews as quickly as possible and keep pushing for more. Social proof is huge in making buyers more confident in making a purchase, and you'll notice on an established product as your reviews increase, so will your conversion. Key number 3, you need to master your PPC ads and cash flow. PPC ads are a must to hit $10,000 a month on Amazon, but only if you use them wisely. Running ads isn't about just getting clicks, it's about getting sales at a profit, and the key here is to run your campaigns with a clear strategy. First, focus on keyword targeting. You want to bid on high search volume, relevant keywords specific to your product. This way you're not bidding on irrelevant broad keywords and wasting money on irrelevant clicks. Second, your goal should be to constantly refine your campaigns. Test, optimize, and scale. If a keyword isn't converting after a reasonable amount of clicks, kill it. And if a keyword is converting well, double down and allocate more budget. This is where data comes into play. You need to be reviewing your PPC campaigns regularly and making data-driven optimizations. Finally, cash flow is crucial when scaling. Too many sellers hit 10K in sales and think they've made it, just to find out that they're cash poor because they didn't manage their spending properly. You need to reinvest profits smartly back into inventory and ads, but still have a cushion on the side to account for things like increased shipping costs or a holiday spike demand. Without managing cash flow, it doesn't matter how much revenue you've generated if you're constantly short on cash. If you nail these 3 keys, product research, conversion optimization, and PPC and cash flow management, you are well on your way to be making $10,000 a month on Amazon. It's not about getting lucky or finding a magic product. It's about strategy, consistency, and execution. And if you're ready to scale your business and get the exact blueprint that I use to create a 7-figure business on Amazon, check out my Amazon FBA private label mentorship program in the description of this video. If you've ever been interested in selling products on Amazon and want to learn how to make $10,000 plus a month, this program is for you. But on that note, everybody, don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. And as always, have a blessed day, ladies and gentlemen.